Oh, Tommy, look at you. What a mess you're in. Why don't you stay clean like your sisters? And just when I want you to look nice for Aunt Greta coming. There. She's here. Oh, Aunt Greta, how lovely to see you.
Oh, Thank you for inviting me, dear.
Oh, you're very welcome. Come in. Let me take your coat. It's chilly.
My, let me look at you. Oh, Jennifer. Oh, and little Jessica. Oh, my. And little Tommy. Oh, you're a big boy now, aren't you?
And how's Evelyn getting on as chairman of the committee?
Oh, taken to it like a duck to water. She was born to rule the world, that woman. There's no stopping her now. No stopping her at all.
As long as she doesn't ask me to join. I've got enough on my mind with the children and I'm so busy these days.
We had a lovely holiday. I went with my friend Evelyn. We were on one of those National Trust cruises all the way up the west coast of Scotland.
And what was the weather like?
Oh, it was beautiful, beautiful. We couldn't have...
Oh, Tommy!
Anyway, more than enough, as you say, without making jam and helping the world. And she was born to be on committees, that woman. Given half a chance, she'll rule the world before she's finished. And there's plenty for her to do in the committee, I can tell you. They're always short of volunteers. Anyway, I'm just wondering, better be off now, you know, because I want to miss the traffic. I don't want to get caught up in all that again.
No, you certainly don't. Children, clear away now. Aunt Greta's leaving and I want you to come and say goodbye. Here we are, Aunt Greta. Here's your coat. Children, come and say goodbye. Tommy! Tommy!
Bye-bye, Jennifer. Be a good girl. And little Jessica, bye-bye. You be a good girl for your mummy. And little Tommy.